Hello, my name is Dan Oakes. I'm the creator of Cookin', and boy, have I got some exciting news for you Android users out there. My team of Android programmers have added some of the coolest new features. Check this out. I'm scrolling through the live feed right here because I've got some people coming over tomorrow. My team, BYU, you know my nephew, Kalani Sitake, is the head coach, and their team is currently ranked number 18 in the nation. Woohoo! And they're playing Washington tomorrow, the 11th ranked team in the nation. Oh, man. If we win this game, it's going to be sweet. So I'm looking through the live recipe feed, trying to figure out what some good game snacks would be. And I found this sushi, and I was like, man, I love sushi. I know not everybody does, but we do. And I've never made it homemade. And so I saw this, and I thought, boy, this is intriguing. So I'm going to capture this recipe. Check this out. Capturing recipe. The Cookin' are working their magic. Okay, I'm going to save this to my, I'll put in the side dishes chapter of the Dan's Recipes Cookbook. Righteous, recipe saved successfully. Now, I'm going to tap my recipes on the bottom. This user interface, by the way, has gotten so much better in Cookin' for Android. Man, it's looking so good. And now to find it, you'll notice that in addition to showing your cookbooks here, we also show the smart folders and your categories for easy access. In fact, rather than drilling down into Dan's recipes and then finding the chapter and so forth, I'm going to go ahead and tap Smart Folders, and I'm going to go to Recently Added Recipes, and there's my California sushi roll. Look at that. Man, that's good. 1 cup of uncooked short grain white rice. Okay, so forth. Wow, this is sweet having this recipe in Cookin', but I see that it serves 8, and I actually want to serve 13 people. So I'm going to tap here where it says serves 8. I'm going to simply change this to 13 and tap OK. Now watch, the ingredient quantities are going to be adjusted automatically for me. Okay, so the page, there it is. Look at that. 1 2/3 cup, 6.5 tablespoons of wet rice vinegar, and so forth. I mean, who wants to do fractional math? It's so sweet that you can scale your recipes right from within your Cookin' app now. Now, I know what's going to happen when people see this recipe, and when my friends come over and so forth, they're going to be like, dude, you made homemade sushi? How'd you do that? This is almost as good as watching BYU beat Washington. And when they want this recipe, check out this new feature. I tap this More Options button in the top right corner here, the 3 dots, and I choose Print. And now I can print this recipe right from my mobile device. Oh, man, what? You can print from your Android device? That is so cool. We've got some more super cool features getting ready to come out. So keep your eyes peeled. Have fun. Go Cougars! Woohoo!